Yes, absolutely. It's more than a feeling. Isn't it interesting how health and fitness affects every aspect of our daily lives? Yet it's often the last thing that many people commit to changing? Perhaps it's because once we've decided to do something about it, finding a good plan and sticking to it in the long run could be challenging. My name is Steve Trzek. I'm a solution provider in sustaining stronger and healthier lifestyles. I've been servicing folks successfully through health, physical fitness, nutrition, and wellness for well over 20 years. Being shackled to the restrictive corporate formalities, I broke free in 2012 to create a brand that would truly create a no-excuse approach to life-changing experiences, in which I present to you the Fitastic brand. Everything I live, I translate into the concept of this brand. Feel free to learn more about my background and history here. I realize there are so many people out there that need help with health and fitness. With all the aimless wandering on the internet and the quick fix promises out there that provide false hope, there had to be a simpler way to resource accurate information and sort through the muck. A place to build fitness routines or plug into an already proven system. Here you have it. It's as simple as choosing one of two Fitastic courses of action I've designed. 1. Give yourself the ability to build your own routines for free. Gain access to over 1,500 exercises in order to create your own workout routine. Immediately categorize your fitness level, equipment you have access to, and the muscle groups you're most interested in targeting. And bam! Sort, play, build, and save your custom routines for future playback. All complimentary. Or 2, allow me to build your personalized routines for you, catering to your specific goals. Eliminate all the guesswork while I lay out your entire roadmap. My turnkey approach has everything built in for you, from exercise selection to exact sets and repetition to tempo and rest intervals. And most specifically, I allocate how much weight you'll be lifting in each set when applicable. Yes, even your weight variations are programmed in. It's unheard of. All of this in a month of service for less than the price of a fast food meal. You basically have me as your personal one-on-one trainer with you every day. I provide comprehensive and real training structure to anyone starting a fitness routine all the way up to someone obtaining optimal progressions in strength and sport. I truly believe, I know, improved health, fitness, and overall wellness will cure most of people's anxiety and problems in their life. I've experienced it firsthand and have been teaching thousands of folks over the last 2 decades. I understand the process of living a fitter lifestyle could very well be challenging, and there's gonna be highs and lows. But I aim to help you do it a little bit better every single day, with many more high day victories. So regardless of your current fitness situation, I strive to create the best version of you in your future. Don't delay another day. Start feeling and looking the way you deserve today. Everybody deserves to feel fantastic, in good health. Be sure to subscribe at feelfantastic.com/sign up and immediately plug into my best fitness and nutrition tips while gaining unlimited access to the workout builder absolutely free.